Good evening, dear students. So last year you have studied about some definitions and types of angles. Let us recall that. So what do you mean by line segment? It is a part of a line which has two endpoints. So if a line segment has, if a line has two endpoints, that is called line segment. Then what do you mean by ray? So ray is nothing but a part of a line which has only one endpoint. So that is OA is said to be a ray because it has only one endpoint. So this side we can extend on. So next, collinear points. So what do you mean by collinear points? If three points are lying on the same straight line, so suppose A, B, C. So they are lying on the same straight line. So they are said to be collinear points. Non-collinear points. So I'll take these three or four. So here they are not in the same straight line. So they are said to be non-collinear points. Then what do you mean by angle? So here I'll take two rays here. OA is one ray. OB is another ray. So these two rays are originating from the same point, or they have common endpoint. Common endpoint. So the part between those two rays is called angle. So here these two rays are said to be arms. Arms of the angle. Here this is common endpoint. So how will you name the angle? AOB or angle BOA. So this is called which point angle is forming. So that is called vertex. Vertex of the angle. So angle O. So the point O is said to be vertex of the angle. Now let us see types of angles. So first one, acute angle. So acute angle means an angle which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So here AOB, angle AOB is said to be acute angle. So which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So greater than 0 and less than 90 degree and less than 90 degree is said to be acute angle. So now what do you mean by right angle? An angle which is equal to 90 degree. So if an angle is equal to 90 degree, that is said to be right angle. Now obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is said to be obtuse angle. So here AOB, this angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is said to be obtuse angle. Then straight angle. So if an angle is equal to 180 degree, so angle AOB. So if this angle measures 180 degree, that is called straight angle. So what do you mean by reflex angle? An angle, so straight means is equal to 180 degree. So reflex angle means which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this AOB. So this angle. So greater than 180 but less than 360 degree is said to be reflex angle. So what do you mean by complete angle? So the angle which measures 360 degree. So that is called complete angle. So these are all the types of angles according to their measurement. So dear students, so seeing the book you have to write down the definitions of all these types of angles with the diagram. Now let us see about complementary angles. What do you mean by complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, so those two angles are said to be complementary. For example, angle AOB is 60 degree, angle DEF 30 degree. The sum of these two gives what? 90 degree. Then each are said to be complement of both. So here AOB is complementary angle of DEF. DEF is the complementary angle of AOB. So how will you, what will be the complementary angle of 20 degree? So you know that. So its complementary angle is 70 degree. So if they ask to find complementary angle, you have to subtract the given angle from 90 degree. So the complementary angle of 10 degree, you know that is 80 degree. So complementary angle means the sum of those two must be equal to 90 degree. Now supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means that if the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then they are said to be supplementary angle. So here if you had 120 and 60, what do you get? Supplementary. So that is 180 degree. So they are said to be supplementary. So what is the supplementary angle of 100 degree? So 80. So you have to subtract the given angle from 180 to get the supplementary angle of the given angle. So what is the supplementary of 70 degree? So that is 110 degree is the supplementary angle of 70 degree. So if they ask to find supplementary angle, you have to subtract the given angle from 180 degree. So now let us see about adjacent angles. Here I have taken two angles, angle ABD and angle DBC. So here both the angles are having same common endpoint, that is B, and one side as common, one arm as common side, that is BD. So in that case, such case, those two angles are said to be adjacent angles. If two angles are having same common point and one arm, one side as common side, then those two angles are said to be adjacent angles. Now let's move to next concept, that is linear pair. So if two angles are standing on the same straight line, so that means here A, B, C, D. So here angle ABD and angle DBC. So both the angles are on the same straight line. So in that case, both the angles are said to be linear pair. So now vertically opposite angles. If two lines are intersecting at a point, then four angles are formed here. So then angle 1 and angle 3, these two are said to be vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 and 4 are said to be vertically opposite angles. We will get two pairs of vertically opposite angles when two lines are intersecting. Now, so intersecting lines. Here I have taken a pair of lines, straight lines AB and CD. They are intersecting at a point. So they have one point as common. O, the point O belongs to both AB and CD. So in that case, those lines are said to be intersecting lines. So here, look at here. So AB and CD, they are not intersecting, but if you produce, so definitely they'll intersect. So those lines are said to be intersecting lines. Now let's see this example, AB and CD. If you produce these two lines indefinitely, they won't meet each other. So for example, railway track, they won't meet each other. So such lines are called non-intersecting lines. In 8th standard, you have studied some axioms and theorems. So some statements are given in this chapter also. Let us recall that. So the first axiom, when a ray stands on the line, then the sum of adjacent angles formed will be equal to 180 degree. So when a ray stands on the straight line, the sum of this adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. What is the converse of this? If the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree, then that line will be the straight line. So that is the axiom 1. Then theorem 1. So what it says, if two lines are intersecting, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. For example, if this is 60 degree, this also 60 degree. So you know that you can calculate this. If this is 60 degree, this will be 120 degree according to this axiom. So because they are adjacent angles on the straight line, linear pair. If two angles are standing on the same straight line, those angles are said to be linear pair. So then, 120 plus 60 becomes 180. So if this is 120 degree, this also 120 degree. So according to this theorem, so if two straight lines intersecting at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So we need these two statements. So the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree when a ray stands on the straight line. So when two lines intersect at a point, the vertically opposite angles are equal. We need these two statements to solve the problems. So dear students, I hope you all understood these concepts. So let us continue in the next class with the exercise. So take care. Bye.